Chapter 7. Verbs in the present tense. English uses two forms of the present, the simple present and the present progressive. First, the simple present. In short, the simple present is used to express A. Permanent states and permanent truths. B. Repetitive actions. C. Instant actions. The simple present affirmative. It is formed using the root form of the verb. There is only one ending to add and s on the third person singular or es onto verbs ending in s, sh, x and o. Sample verbs: first sing, second sing, third sing, first plural, second plural, third plural. Bring, I bring, you bring, he or she or it brings, we bring, you bring, they bring. Do, I do, you do, he or she or it does. We do, you do, they do. Pass, I pass, you pass, he or she or it passes. We pass, you pass, they pass. The simple present negative. For all verbs, the simple present negative is formed using the root of the verb and the auxiliary do in the negative form, do not and does not, which are normally contracted in spoken English and may also be contracted in the written language. Sample verbs: first sing, second sing, third sing, first plural, second plural, third plural. Bring, I don't bring, you don't bring, he or she or it does not bring, we don't bring, you don't bring, they don't bring. Speak, I don't speak, you don't speak, he or she or it does not speak, we don't speak, you don't speak, they don't speak. Examples: I like fruits, but I don't like vegetables. I live in Islamabad and I work for a big corporate house. Flowers grow well in a warm, sunny climate. Tomorrow never comes. My father-in-law often goes to Chennai on business. It snows in winter in London. I get up at 6 every morning. Oh, I understand what you mean. Baichung gets the ball, he shoots and he scores. Second, the present progressive. In short, the present progressive is used to express A. Developing situations. B. Actions that are actually taking place. C. Future actions. The present progressive affirmative. This is formed using the present participle of the verb and the present tense of to be. The present participle is formed by adding ing to the root or to the root minus its final e for verbs ending in e. The auxiliary is usually contracted in spoken English, as in the sound line of examples. Sample verbs: first sing, second sing, third sing, first plural, second plural, third plural. Stand, I am standing, you are standing, he or she or it is standing, we are standing, you are standing, They are standing. Take. I am taking. You are taking. He or she or it's taking. We are taking. You are taking. They are taking. The present progressive negative. The negative is formed by adding the word not. There are two different ways of contracting the present progressive negative as illustrated by the two lines of examples for the verb take. Contracted forms are normally used in spoken English and may be used in the written language too. Sample verb. First sing, second sing, third sing, first plural, second plural, third plural. Stand. I am not standing. You are not standing. He, she, it is not standing. We are not standing. You are not standing. They are not standing. Take. I am not taking. You are not taking. He, she, it's not taking. We are not taking. You are not taking. You are not taking. Examples. His mother-in-law is getting better. The weather isn't improving. This year I'm working in Dubai. Look, that man's stealing my car. Slow down, you are going too fast. He's not going on holiday tomorrow. He said he is retiring next year. Some verbs are almost never used in the present progressive. Verbs of senses: hear, see, smell, taste. Verbs of feeling and emotions: feel, want, desire, like, dislike, fear, love, hate, care, wish, respect, appreciate, etc. Verbs of mental state and activity: be, exist, know, recollect, remember, agree, disagree, believe, disbelieve, differ, doubt, find, forget, imagine, mean, understand, trust, think, suppose, etc. Verbs showing possession: belong, own, possess. Certain verbs such as cost, consist, contain, resemble, appear, seem, etc. Third, present simple versus present progressive. A contrastive example. The sentence given below is a clear example of the difference in usage between the two forms. I eat donuts, but I am not eating a donut right now. Present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is used to actions that started in the past and are still continuing in the present. Examples: they have lived here for years. She has worked in the bank for 5 years. We have had the same car for 10 years. Have you played the cello since you were a child? When the time period referred to has not finished. Examples: I have worked hard this week. It has rained a lot this year. We have not seen her today. Actions repeated in an unspecified period between the past and present. Examples: they have seen that film 6 times. It has happened several times already. She has visited them frequently. We have eaten at that restaurant many times. Actions completed in the very recent past. Positive just. Examples: have you just finished work? I have just eaten. You have just seen her. Has he just left? When the precise time of the action is not important or not known. Examples: someone has eaten my soup. Have you seen Gone with the Wind? Present perfect conjugation with the verb talk. Affirmative, negative, interrogative. I have talked. I have not talked. Have I talked? You have talked. You have not talked. Have you talked? He or she or it has talked. He or she or it has not talked. Has he or she or it talked? We have talked. We have not talked. Have we talked? You have talked. You have not talked. Have you talked? They have talked. They have not talked. Have they talked? Present perfect continuous tense. Basic form: subject plus has or have plus been plus verb. Continuous form. Use: first, actions that started in the past and continue in the present. Second, actions that have recently stopped. Third, temporary actions and situations. Use 1. Continuation in the past. We use the present perfect continuous to show that something started in the past and continues in the present. Examples: he has been painting the house for 5 hours. He is still painting it. I have been working as a fireman since 1973. I still work as a fireman. Use 2. Past actions recently stopped. This tense is used to talk about actions that began in the past and have recently stopped. Examples: I have been waiting for you for half an hour. I'm not waiting anymore because you have come. Look at her eyes. I'm sure she has been crying. She stopped crying when she saw them. For and since. Since and for are common time expressions used with the present perfect continuous. We use for with a period of time. Examples: I have been living here for 20 years. When talking about a starting point, we use since. Examples: I have been living here since 1960.